Is there any connection between a language and communication skill? Your answer would be like very common. Ankit, there is no connection between a language and communication skill because both are completely different to each other. So why are you asking this ridiculous question? What is the purpose of your question? Let me ask you. Just imagine that a huge number of audience and you are standing in front of them and you are going to speak something. Just tell me, can you express your thoughts effectively if you do not have a command over the language? It might be difficult for you. Because if audience expecting from you, you should speak in English or you will speak in English and you are going to use your mother tongue, which is not understandable by audience, you cannot able to grab the attention of the audience and you will lose everything. Okay, just hold on. I want to mention one more thing here. I'm not talking about a particular language. Language can be anything. Malayalam, Kannada, Hindi, English, Tamil. You can consider any language. My question is very simple. Is there any connection between a language and communication skill? Okay, let me take one more example so that you can easily able to connect with me. Just imagine a person who born with voiceless. He's completely dumb, right? Means whenever he speaks, he cannot able to create the energy in the form of voice or sound. So just tell me, this person, can he able to sing a song? The answer is of course not. Because this is a natural problem, right? But imagine that he can easily able to create the energy in the form of voice or sound. He can easily able to speak, right? If I ask the same question, what is your answer? My answer is again not. The reason is very simple. First, he need to learn singing skill, how to make sur, vibrato, and all that. I'm not going into that particular skill because that's not my profession, right? But for singing, what are the requirements? The first thing you must have a sound, right? You must have a soundful throat, right? And the second thing, for example, you really want to sing a song in English language, you must have a command over the language in which language you really want to sing a song. Otherwise, you can't do that. Similarly, if you ask me, is there any connection between a language and communication skills? So my answer is big yes. Why? The reason is very simple. Through the language, you can communicate with the people, right? But through the communication skills, you understand how to deliver the speech or how to deliver the content, ideas, suggestions in front of the others. Means language and communication skills both are interconnected. Without language, you cannot add your communication skills. Because in the world, there are two ways to communicate with others. The first one is verbal and second one is non-verbal. The best example of non-verbal, the baby child. Because baby cannot understand the meaning of sounds initially in the beginning, right? You just understand or communicate through the facial expressions or gesture, right? So means in communication, language, you first need to understand the power of language, boys and girls. Without language, you cannot align your communication skills, right? So my opinion on this, both are connected to each other, both are interconnected. If somebody is saying that both are separate to each other, so what do you mean by that? It means that in terms of learning methods, techniques only, but both are interconnected to each other. That's my opinion. What's your perspective? This is Ankit. Bye bye. Have a good day.